Hello, and welcome back to Daily Space Facts. Today we take a look at China's Chang'e 7 mission. Hidden in eternal darkness, at the moon's south pole, lies some of the coldest places in the entire solar system, and possibly the key to humanity's future on another world. In 2026, China is sending its most ambitious robotic explorer yet, Chang'e 7, on a daring quest to find water ice where no spacecraft has gone before, scheduled for launch in the second half of 2026 aboard a long March 5 rocket. Chang'e 7 is the cornerstone of China's fourth phase of lunar exploration. This isn't just another orbiter or sample return. It's a full fleet, an orbiter, a lander, a rover, and a revolutionary mini-flying hopper, all working together to explore the lunar South Pole. Why go to the South Pole? Because here, in craters that haven't seen sunlight for billions of years, scientists believe vast deposits of water ice may be trapped. Water on the moon means rocket fuel, oxygen to breathe, and drinking water for future astronauts. It could turn the moon into a cosmic gas station and the gateway to Mars. Chang'e 7 will be the first mission to directly search inside these freezing cold traps. Let's meet the team. The orbiter stays high above, mapping the surface with razor-sharp eyes. High-resolution stereo camera, down to 0.5-meter resolution. Miniature synthetic aperture radar that can see through shadows. Infrared spectrometer and neutron gamma detector to sniff out hydrogen and water signatures. It will spend 2 full months surveying potential landing sites before the others descend. The lander touches down near Shackleton Crater or similar promising sites on the rim of a shadowed crater. It carries a seismograph to listen for moonquakes and probe the moon's interior, dust and electric field sensors, an Italian laser retroreflector, a Russian lunar dust instrument, and even a small wide-field telescope from the International Lunar Observatory Association to stare deep into the galaxy from the lunar surface. The rover rolls across the rugged terrain, drilling with ground-penetrating radar and analyzing volatiles right on the surface. The star of the show, the mini-flying hopper. This tiny spacecraft will actually hop or fly into the permanently shadowed crater itself. Equipped with a water molecule analyzer, it will land, walk away from the plume-contaminated zone, drill into the lunar soil, and directly measure water ice, methane, and other volatiles for the first time in history. Chang'e 7 carries more than 20 scientific instruments, including 6 from international partners: Italy, Russia, Egypt, Bahrain, Thailand, Switzerland, and the International Lunar Observatory Association. Science goals include mapping water ice distribution and origins, studying lunar surface processes and impact history, understanding the moon's internal structure, testing technologies for future human bases. This mission is China's bold step toward building the International Lunar Research Station with partners around the world. Here's how it unfolds. Launch, cruise to the moon, orbiter enters lunar orbit, 2-month detailed survey, precision landing on the crater rim, rover and hopper deployment, hopper flies into eternal darkness, months of science operations. Challenges? Extreme cold that can freeze instruments solid, no sunlight for solar power in the shadows, treacherous terrain full of boulders and steep slopes, and the need for perfect autonomous navigation. Chang'e 7 will push China's robotic exploration technology to the limit. Finding accessible water ice at the South Pole would be a game-changer. It could dramatically lower the cost of sustained human presence on the moon and open the door to deep space exploration. Chang'e 7 isn't just about one country reaching the moon, it's about humanity taking the next giant leap together. Chang'e 7, China's water hunting mission to the lunar South Pole, is coming in 2026. The race to live off the land on another world has begun. Which nation will take the first drink of lunar water? Stay tuned. The moon is waiting. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.